Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best mini cordless chainsaw on the market. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the DocSmart CS08 mini cordless chainsaw. Let's get started. Product features: high performance motor. The DocSmart CS08 is powered by a 1,000-watt pure copper motor that delivers cutting speeds up to 26 feet per second, slicing through 6-inch branches in as little as 8 seconds for quick and smooth cuts. Versatile 2-in-1 functionality. Comes with both 6-inch and 8-inch chains, allowing you to handle wood cutting, pruning, or trimming with ease. Perfect for gardens, farms, and parks. Cordless convenience. Powered by a rechargeable 4,000 milliamp hour battery, it offers mobility without cords. Fully charges in 2 hours and runs for 30 minutes. Compatible with Makita batteries for added flexibility. User-friendly design. Lightweight at 3.26 pounds, it's ideal for one-handed operation. Ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures comfort and control for users of all ages, including seniors. Multiple safety features. Equipped with safety locks, baffles, gloves, goggles, and a non-slip front handle. Prevents accidents and enhances stability during every cut. Auto oiler system. The automatic lubrication system keeps the chain well oiled for smooth performance. Refilling the oil tank is simple, requiring minimal maintenance. Durable and efficient construction. Deep quenching process strengthens the blade, ensuring long-lasting durability while maintaining smooth, efficient cutting for various wood types. Pros: powerful 1,000-watt motor for fast cutting. Lightweight and ergonomic for one-handed use. Cordless and rechargeable with Makita battery compatibility. Dual chain sizes for versatile applications. Auto oiler system for easy maintenance. Multiple safety features for worry-free operation. Ideal for gardens, farms, and small outdoor tasks. Cons: short 30-minute runtime may require extra batteries for long jobs. Not suitable for very large logs or heavy-duty forestry work. Requires attention to oil refill for optimal chain performance. Final thoughts. The DocSmart CS08 mini cordless chainsaw is an excellent tool for home gardeners, hobbyists, and light outdoor tasks. Its powerful motor, lightweight design, and safety features make it a reliable, easy-to-use chainsaw, perfect for anyone who wants a compact, portable, and efficient cutting tool. If you want a fast, portable, and safe mini chainsaw, this could be your go-to tool. Check the price link in the description. Like and subscribe to Cool Product for more reviews and tech insights.